Phone supposed to search right through. So me and my enough self said me gonna look on private story. Whoops, not me. So I was like, oh,
all you want to give me answer. All you want to do you know I want you?
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. You know, we're gonna have a little chat, a little discussion. Before we even get into all of that, make sure not washing your hands and not coughing into your hands, cough into your elbows, cough into something else. Wash your hands, as I'm saying, hand sanitizer, rubbing alcohol every other minute, because I am paranoid and I just feel like I need to do all of this. Ow, I have a cut on my finger, so every time I put alcohol on it, it burns. Anyways, that's not what this is about today. Today we're gonna be doing a little video, a little chit chat about searching your partner's phones. If you are guilty of this, keep watching. If you are not guilty of this, keep watching. You'll know why. Let's just get into this, right? Okay. So I figured that I would get on Instagram and Twitter and ask the public what's their take on going in their significant other's phone, right? So these are some of the answers that I got. All right, so the exact question that I asked on Instagram: is it a good idea to go through your significant other's phones? If yes, why? If no, why? So this person said no. If you have search phone, it obviously not trust the person, so relationship no make sense. No, for several reasons. One, because that's how you get your feelings hurt, as I said. Two, if you trust your partner, then there's no need to be searching up the phone. Three, whatever is in the dark will always come to light. No, sometimes you see things you're not supposed to see, but you can go in his wallet. Okay. Don't take up what you can't manage. Facts. If you have suspicions, just ask for it, and if they hesitate or get defensive, then that's your answer. No searching necessary. Never a good idea. No need to search your phone, cause energy and intuition never fails. No matter how well you think you hide whatever you're doing, you just clone out yourself in the end and waste your own time. Period. Me not put nothing in there, no, so me not search it. Yeah, I've said. This person said I could do with a little weight loss. Girl, me not have no weight to lose, so no thank you. Not a good idea, because best believe it or not, the relationship is gonna go downhill and have issues every minute. If you're searching for problem gonna present itself. I agree. This person said, nah, that's where all my bad bitches at. Excuse me. There were a lot of different responses, but here's my take on it. So I was in a little situation, right? Mind you, I have never ever in my life searched a man's phone. Like, I've never done that. I feel like if you lurk, you're gonna get hurt. Like, that's just me. I don't really trust all of that phone thing. I don't trust technology. I feel like I don't want to know. I don't know if you're up to anything. I don't want to find out that way by me snooping around. Like, that is just going to shatter me. Like, you're actually hiding things from me. Like, why you gonna do that? But I don't even know if I should say yes, you should, because I don't think you should. I don't think you should invade somebody's privacy like that. Like, if you ever know, you would know. That's really how I see it. And if you go in there and you get your feelings hurt, that's your fault, because you're too enough, right? So here is my little situation, right? Mind you, I never searched about a phone yet, but something happened that was similar to it, and then I'll explain afterwards why I don't think the searching phone thing is a good idea. So I was literally just on the phone taking snaps as usual, because that's what I do. I have the password or whatever. I literally just go on Snapchat and take snaps and put it down, so when I go back in the phone they'll see the snaps and be like, oh, this I do, whatever. Fine. So I go on Snapchat and I take it upon myself to not only snap, but I felt like I needed to post that snap on that person's private story, right? I didn't think anything was wrong with that because I'm always on it anyways. So I see, like when you're looking back on your snaps and you see look a circle, so you can see like a preview of the snap that you posted. So I saw one and I thought it was me, so I was like, oh, posted me on your little private story, because I'm not added to the private story and that person is not added to my private story. So me and my enough self said me I gotta look on private story. Whoops, not me. So I was like, oh, okay, all right. Me get vexed instantly. Like, I am upset. Mind you, it was literally nothing for me to get upset about, because it's not like they were posing up with another female, or you see, I don't want to get too specific because I don't think I need to go into all those specifics, but just know that what I saw was not what it was. Okay? Alright, we're gonna leave it there. So after I saw that, I decided, alright, because of that, me not go post the snap with me, just make up myself, because next thing you know, that may just embarrass myself. Like, why am I gonna do that? So me vex now, me fling down the phone, and I'm just like, should I confront this person about this, or should I just keep it to myself? Because one, I shouldn't be in the phone. Well, not that I shouldn't be in the phone, but I shouldn't go so far enough of myself, that. Two, I shouldn't be assuming, because it's probably nothing and I'm getting heated over nothing. And I just didn't know what to do at that time. So of course me text my best friend and I'm like, sis, I'm heated, I don't know what to do, what should I do, because I'm going to fight. Like, what is this? Like, I don't understand why this happened, because I do nothing but the right things. I am loyal, I am this, I am that, so what are you doing? After a couple hours, maybe an hour or two, I was so upset. Like, a person could I see someone upset, but I'm not tell them why I'm upset. And then it happened that I did something, like in that moment I did something that person wasn't too fond of, but it was nothing on my end. So right away, you're the type of person that would be like, all right, you did this and I don't like this, so I'm gonna confront you about it, which is what happened. And then after that was done and I cleared up what was what, and then everything was all cool, because as I said, it was literally nothing on my end. Then that is when I decided to bring up what I had to say. So I was like, what is, like, I literally explained the situation, like, listen, I was not searching your phone, I was not doing none of that, I would have never do that, but it just so happened that I thought this was me, and I clicked on it because I thought it was me, realized it wasn't me, and I want to know why it wasn't me. Why was it not me? Right? So long story short, there was an explanation. It was some inside joke between that person and the friends understood, I didn't understand, whatever, and I was fine. I was literally fine afterwards. So yeah, that I would say the reason why I don't really like the searching phone thing, because you don't know the context of everything in the other person's phone. and you might assume things, and it's really and truly nothing for you to get worked up about, and then you just get your feelings hurt. And if it is a case that keeps happening, it might break the trust that you guys have, and that is when they're gonna start lock the phone. It can't reach in none at all, so now you're gonna feel like say them a hide things, and that's where admit you need to admit like open it, because I want to know what you're hiding now. But it's like, yeah, just for the sake of avoiding all of that type of unnecessary drama, I would say just don't search the phone, because everything in the dark will come to light. That is literally how I see it, because from that I just said to myself, I'ma just stay in my lane, and I'll make the snaps. I'll continue to make the snaps, but I'm not going any further than that. Make the snap, save the snap, exit, come out of the app, lock back the phone and put it down. I can't take it. I cannot, because my head hot and I get upset for the slightest things, and I don't want to be assuming, and then all of that. So from that I said to myself, in the future, or like literally with anybody, even friends, like I literally just don't take anybody's phone anymore to do anything, unless it's just like snapping a picture, and that is it. That is literally it. But I know instances where like some of my friends searched their significant other's phone and found some dirt, and if them never searched the phone, them would have never know, because it's like everybody around them is like, oh no, that person is such a good person, that person don't do nothing, they're a saint, angel, heaven sent. And I'm going to the phone and dig up all of the dirt, and everything came to light. So I mean, in that situation, that was good. Like, I'm find out everything they need to find out. Although it's like, I feel like when some girls do that, them end up cuss them off, them left and then them the back. So it's like, where did I create all that for? You see, you could have just left the man phone alone, because you're gonna go back to him anyways. So what was the sense? But I guess if you really want to find something, or you have a gut feeling that your man is a crosses and he's doing some dirt, then you go ahead and take that risk.
Gotta go with your coming or come. Oh no.
And then afterwards, I don't know what's gonna happen, because I have some anger issues and I like to break stuff. So yeah, to avoid all of that, I just don't be doing all of that. Yeah, that is literally that topic. This is my advice. I don't feel like you must search a man's phone, or vice versa. Guys, don't search women's phone. And another reason why I feel like that searching phone thing is like not cool, because when that situation happened with me, I messaged one of my friends, and she was saying to me, because when I explained the situation to her, she was like, that's not really nothing. Luckily he explained it, because if he didn't, then it kind of would have seemed a little bit off. And then I complain, I'm like, why would that person do that in the first place? Like, what are you doing? Like, you're trying to be disrespectful. Like, it may come off disrespectful, even though it's probably like a handful of your idiot friends seeing it. No offense. She was like, nothing will probably be on my snaps, but like if a person would search my messages now, they would kind of see that I can be very shady and like say some things that might be hurtful to them. But my friends know that I'm joking, and I know that I'm joking, I'm not really serious. But if another person was to like read those messages, they would really think I'm a bitch and I don't care about people, and that isn't the case. Most times I'm either ranting and I say some things where I'm not really mean, but my friends know that I don't mean it, but other people wouldn't know that. So I guess that whole searching phone thing is like, if you do not know the context behind it, you're gonna be confused and you're gonna upset over some things you're not upset about. So leave people things alone. You never buy them phone, leave it alone. And even if you did buy it, leave it alone, because nobody ever asked you to buy it. Yeah, that's it for this TED Talk. Thank you for coming to it, and we've come to the end of this video. So if you want more videos like this, where I ask some questions and we have a little discussion or whatever, let me know. Or if not, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share since you're already here. Period.